Ever wondered how to visualize high-dimensional data? How to decipher the complex myriad relationships that exist within such data? Enter the realm of Kohonen self-organizing maps, or SOMs. These specialized artificial neural networks, the brainchild of Kohonen in the 1980s, have been revolutionizing the way we understand and interpret high-dimensional data in various fields like pattern recognition, signal processing, and financial analysis. The first striking feature of SOMs is their ability to preserve topology. This means that similar data points in the high-dimensional input space map to neighboring neurons on the map, providing an intuitive and easy-to-understand visualization of data clusters and relationships. A second key feature is unsupervised learning. Unlike other models, SOMs don't need labeled training data. They learn from the patterns found in the input data, making them perfect for exploratory data analysis, where relationships between data points are not known beforehand. Next, we have the dimensionality reduction feature. SOMs can transform high-dimensional data into a two-dimensional grid, making it easier to visualize and interpret complex data. This feature is especially valuable in fields dealing with high-dimensional data such as bioinformatics, finance, and image processing. SOMs also provide a measure of quantization error. This error reflects the average distance between each input vector and its best matching unit on the map, providing a way to evaluate the quality of the map and its representation of the input data. The neighborhood function is another crucial feature. During training, not just the winning neuron, the neuron whose weight vector is closest to the input vector, but also its neighbors within a certain radius are updated. This ensures a smooth transition of properties across the map, reinforcing the preservation of the topological features of the input space. Adaptability is another strong suit of SOMs. They can adjust to new data over time, making them suitable for dynamic data sets where the data distribution may change. This adaptability is achieved through continuous training, where the network adjusts its weights in response to new data. SOMs have also been widely used for data visualization and clustering. The map provides a visual representation of the data distribution, where clusters of similar data points can be easily identified. This makes SOMs a powerful tool for exploring inherent structures within the data. Besides clustering, SOMs can be used for feature mapping, where each neuron in the map represents a specific feature of the input space. This allows for the analysis of the significance and distribution of different features within the dataset. In a nutshell, Kohonen self-organizing maps are a versatile tool for data analysis. They offer capabilities for unsupervised learning, topology preservation, dimensionality reduction, and data visualization. Their ability to adapt and reveal the underlying structures in high-dimensional data makes them an invaluable asset for a wide range of applications.